So people, it's nice and early with this one. Today I'm going to be going over good and bad karma. When you do good, you get good karma. You get good things happening back to you. I've done good for people and I've got good back. Once you do bad, you get bad back. And it don't matter how long it takes for it to come, but it will come. People think that it won't, but it comes. The bad karma can come as quickly and it can come as slowly as it is destined to come. So whenever you're doing anything, you're doing something, don't let it get to your head, and do it with good karma, do it with good heart, to have a good purpose to help people and to do something that's going to bring value to the world. Don't do it where it's just doing it for money or doing it for the sake of a gain to then turn your soul into like a savage negatively, not positively, negatively, once you've got what you wanted, because then that just shows that you're just using your ego. I'll go over another video today over egos, why you have to get rid of them. So yeah, make sure that your karma is good, and with your karma being good and what you do is good. See, for me, when I was doing my negative, nothing was going right. Since I've been doing my positive, my music, I've stopped doing bad. I don't do bad. It's always in my face, but I don't do bad. So now I'm not doing bad and I'm only doing good. Something good's gonna come through my music and through my good things that I do. Something will come. It's destined. So stay good, stay focused, and stay with positive energy, people. Don't do anything bad to other people because it's been done to you. Sometimes you have to learn to just be a man and let things go and just do it, and to just, it's the best thing to do because you're letting that go. You're not holding on to that negative energy. You're letting go and you're moving back onto the positive energy, which is then going to allow you to just move forward into your next destined position.